What's up everyone? For this week's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to see how many combinations there are just from a few choices. For our choices, they will be food, as you can see here. So Jimmy wants to go to a restaurant. He wants to order a hamburger or a hot dog. He can have either a side of fries or chicken strips. How many combinations are there? So we have a hamburger and hot dog, and french fries and chicken strips. So there are two combinations in each section, so we'll add them both together. We have 2 here and 2 here. So let's multiply those combinations together, and then we'll have 4. Billy, the cousin of Jimmy, wants to go to the market and get cake. There are 2 flavors, chocolate or vanilla. He can choose from pink or blue frosting. He can have a cherry or a toy on top. How many combinations are there? There are 2 combinations in each, chocolate or vanilla, pink or blue, and cherry or toy. So we multiply 2 times 2 times 2 because there are 2 in each category. And then we multiply those together, and then we'll have 8. I hope this was very useful to you guys. See you next time.